Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. Welcome to my channel. So Plum did recently send me a few of their newest launches from their fragrance free range, and they just asked me to test them out and see what's my opinion on them and put out my honest review about the products. I have been using these products from the past couple of weeks, so I got a brief idea about each of the products. So I just want to share my honest opinion on them to you. So here I am with all my thoughts ready. So without further delay, let's get into the video. So Plum did actually send me 3 products from their fragrance free skincare range, and the first one is their micellar water from their Hello Aloe range. This is a very decent micellar water if you want something in budget. This has aloe vera as its primary ingredient, so if you have skin which is very sensitive, this is going to suit your skin because aloe vera is super suitable for people who have sensitive and dehydrated skin. So I felt it's a very good addition if you want something which is going to cleanse your skin at the same time which is going to hydrate and repair your skin. And this really worked well as my micellar water. I generally gravitate towards micellar waters mainly in summers to just cleanse my skin, like the first step of cleansing, and this worked very well on my skin. And even I tried it out on my waterproof mascara and it removed it pretty well compared to the other micellar waters which I used in the past. So if you want me to compare this one to the Garnier micellar water, I would say this is a tad bit hydrating than that one, but they both pretty much feel the same. So this is about the micellar water. The second product which they send me across is their Bulgarian rose water with hyaluronic acid, but this is not steam distilled rose water. This is more of a toner with a hydrating ingredients in it. The first ingredient in here is aqua. The second ingredient in here is rose extract. There is no rose water like steam distilled rose water in here, but this got rose extract in it. The third ingredient is glycerine. The fourth ingredient is sodium hyaluronate, which is a hyaluronic acid basically. So this got glycerine and hyaluronic acid, so this is a very hydrating toner if you want. I feel this is a very good addition for your summer skincare routine because this is very soothing and hydrating to your skin. So if you want something that calms your skin and soothes your skin at the same time hydrates your skin, I feel this is a very good toner for you. But this is not my favorite one, to be honest, because I'm a person who likes to use pure steam distilled rose water like the Kama Ayurveda rose water or the Shesha Ayurveda rose water, but not something like this. I would prefer this one to people who don't like the actual steam distilled rose water, but you want something that is hydrating on your skin, like with hyaluronic acid and glycerin. So yeah, this is not a bad product, but if you want to try it out, just know that this is not a pure steam distilled rose water. The third product which Plum did send me across is their green tea oil free moisturizer, and guys, this is the best moisturizer which I used in summers. I have never used a moisturizer which doesn't make me oily or greasy end of the day. I generally have dry to normal skin type, but in summers, maybe because of the humidity in the place I live, I get so oily end of the day. But whenever I'm using this one in my morning routine, my skin is feeling very balanced. This moisturizer is best suitable for people who have oily to combination skin type, sensitive skin and acne prone skin. If you have acne prone skin and you're trying to figure out the moisturizer which is not going to break you out, which is not going to make you oily, but at the same time which is going to balance your skin, I feel you have to give this one a try. This is beautiful you guys. So if you want that perfect moisturizer for your summers which is not going to make your skin oily, but at the same time which is going to moisturize you and hydrate your skin, this is the one you need to go with. So yeah guys, these are the 3 products which I tried from Plum's fragrance free range. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you are not following me on Instagram already, I will leave a link in the description box. Please follow me on Instagram too. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.